garam. No, gula.
Gula.
Hi guys, how's it going? Hari ini mau fokus dengan makanan jajanan lagi. Jadi mau bikin telur gulung. Bahan-bahan untuk Bang Ben's telur gulung. Telur, bon cabe, bubuk kaldu ayam, 2 sendok makan sambal, lada putih, boleh diganti ini dengan lada hitam, mirin, ini dari Jepang untuk rasanya manis, garam, minyak goreng, dan sedikit air panas. Yang pertama, saya mau campurin dulu 2 telurnya. Taruh ini di mangkuk, tambahkan garam, lada hitam atau lada putih, sama bubuk kaldu ayam 2 pinch. Terus, untuk rasanya sedikit pedas, bon cabe. Dan aduk semua bahan-bahan. Yang kedua, mau bikin sausnya. Ini gampang banget. Mulai dengan 2 sendok makan sambal. Tambahkan 1 pinch garam. Sama bon cabe. Mungkin 4 pinch. Mau sausnya pedas. Untuk Bang Ben's telur gulung, mau tambahkan mirin. Untuk rasanya manis. Boleh diganti ini dengan gula. 1 sendok teh. Gunakan sedikit air panas. Ini hampir kental. Mungkin sedikit air lagi. Sausnya sudah jadi. It's finished! Sambal. Terakhir, mau goreng telur gulung. Paling penting, bikin ini dengan cepat. Gerakan kiri dan kanan. Gulung. Gerakan di sini dan gulung lagi. Perfect. Tambahkan telur. Kiri dan kanan. Gulung. Dan gulung lagi di sini. Di dekat panci. Jangan lupa guys, itu paling penting. Bikin ini dengan cepat. Kiri dan kanan. Gulung. Gulung di sini. Yeah, perfect. This one's awesome. Yes, I think we're good. Ini sudah siap. Okay guys, mau cobain. So, once again, I was off on my travels around Jakarta, come across this street snack called Telor Gulung. It's actually quite tricky to make, so follow my advice. Make sure you make it really quickly, don't take too long. Make sure the oil is really hot, okay? When you put the telor into the hot oil, move from left to right, then round, move to the side of the pan and then twist, okay? And that's how you're going to be able to make telur gulung. It's quite tricky, okay? So try that at home and you will see your results come out hopefully a little bit like this, okay? I'm going to try. Get that sambal in there, okay? Spicy, sweet as well because we put the mirin in there. You can replace that with sugar. Here we go. Awesome. This is really good. Get a nice sambal in there, telor. Mantap. Awesome. Thanks ever so much for watching my video. Like and subscribe, please don't forget to do that. And in the comment section below, that's the place for advice. Do you need any advice for me to cook things? Put that below. Thanks ever so much. I'll see you on my next video. Might not be Makanan Jajan, we'll do that a bit later. Could be trying food, could be just making normal main meals. We'll see what's going on. See you later guys. Paling penting. Bisa diganti ini dengan garam. Oh, gula! It's good bloopers though. Bruh. Terry here, mau goreng telur gulung. Mau bikin telur gulung.
Kok gitu sih? Mau goreng dulu. Goreng.
Mau goreng. Okay. Bikin. What am I making? Telur gulung. Jadi, mau lada putih atau bisa boleh any comment I can't even do getting bloopers with English.